afternoon everyone, here MJ and RN is here. So today we are going to change the spark plug of a CBR 150, and now I will show you how to change the spark plug and how to clean your spark plug. So let's go to the bike and let's change it. Yeah. Okay, so this is the RN's bike and he is going to remove all this plastic part. Nahi? Okay, so now the RN is removing all the fiber parts of the CBR 150, and you just need to remove all these wires because they may get cut off while removing, so be careful while doing it. And here we have all the tools of removing the spark plug, and here it is, spark plug is here it's spark plug. Okay, so spark plug will be over here inside. So okay, so first you need to remove the radiator of CBR and fast forward. Okay, now we have removed the all two bolts and we have to push that side. थोड़ा सा push करना है, and yes, this is how you have to remove the radiator. Okay, so the radiator will not get off from the bike because it will be over there only, but you have to take little just you have to take the little space over here inside to make sure that your hand should go over there, and you can change the spark plug. So like this you have to just hang it on the rim, and over there one more is here. Yes, rim and handle. Rim and top fairing. Yes, now we got the more space to go in. Okay, so now we have tied the kind of a cloths, because whenever we are going to change the spark plug, that time here small radiator का जो part रहता है वो डैमेज हो सकता है, इसलिए थोड़ा स्पेस देख के हमारा हाथ भी अंदर जाना चाहिए, वैसा थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना चाहिए, मतलब स्पेस करना चाहिए. Okay, these are the two tools, sir, which are given in the your toolkit only, so that using this you can remove the spark plug. Okay, let's start removing it. We just put it inside the engine. Not engine, okay. Hello, we just have to put it inside. You just have to remove it in anti-clockwise, so that it will get. Okay, so now we have removed the old spark plug. It's kind of actually tough thing, but still if you try, then you can do it. Yes. Yeah. Yes, it is here.
So this is Denso company.
Wait, let me focus. You can say.
This is Denso company. This is our new spark plug.
What is the name of this spark plug?
Irradium.
Irradium,
man.
Irradium, okay. Okay, so this is the Irradium spark plug, which you will get in the Amazon. We will give in the description, we will give the link of this spark plug, so that you guys can go and check it out. Chalo, let's fix it.
So while removing and putting the spark plug, use this Honda toolkit, because it has a visor inside here, which is actually not visible for you. So it will hold the spark plug in the place. Even if it is upside down, it will not fall down.
Yeah. So now we are putting the new Irradium spark plug. You just need to be careful while putting it. You should not damage the radiator. So yeah,
this tip should not get damaged.
Yes, that tip you should not. It focus ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಮಂದು.
Here 3 4 3. So again you have to tighten all the boards of okay, so again you have to tighten all the boards of a radiator.
If you don't want to remove
If you don't want radiator, then just remove it, keep it, and make your bike as a air cooler.